Cakes family, welcome back to another video. So while editing race, I'm gonna have an intro as per usual, but I'm creating one right now. So remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on all socials at _Kimberly.o. I hope that you guys love this video because I'm gonna see my movie, I'm gonna see my go work, I'm gonna see a lot. So make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and enjoy the rest of the video. So this is a common area on our floor. It has a TV, couches, microwave, and then you have vending machine. You can take the stairs or you can take the elevator. I'm going to put away my things that I brought from Jamaica here, like my snacks. I bought Vienna sausage and chippies. If you know me on Instagram, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that chippies is the Scumdelio show. Upper Peru. That is cheapest for me. So I can pack away those. And then I have my little desk area that is shared, that I need to like put my laptop properly and all of that. Then I take a shower, then I go on the road. Or I pick up my uniform. It really depends. Because I know that they have lunchtime at, is it 12? Yes, they have lunchtime at 12. So it's really dependent on the time as I finish with this. I would go there, because if I go at 12, no one will be there. You get me? So yeah. Stop. Oh, singer, bad man, killer. Some move, some rock, some sip liquor. Move, you wet, keep up, yeah, jazz, drop, quicker. Make a dance couple times, girl, take my picture. Make me fuck up in sleeper. Remember I'm lazy? Don't tell him. Oh, we eat this
What you always have to be every night today? Tell me. As a creator.
Did I know? I'm not my night and I say, more like I'm running, then I'm like, I can't go for the people that can run them to me serious like this.
But I'm not sure this strap.
This looks serious? What do you take me serious?
Wow.
And that's the first rule in our housekeeping. Can't be spreading. People be good, and you're not spread good.
Music make me feel like a Jordan. I understand what they say, I like
the view from my room is pretty good. And then we have the mountain over by this side. I'm so sad that you guys can't really see this. Wait, I'm gonna open it. Let me sit you guys down and open it. It's so cold outside. It's cold bad. And I have to go out there soon. This is so cold. That's a car coming. But they have like the mesh thing, so you're not seeing so clear. But that's the mountain. Right there. I don't know what I'm doing as yet. Like when I go downstairs at this side, because I want to pick up my housekeeping clothes. But based on the timing, I know that I can get the letter to pick up the clothes. But then to pick up the clothes now, I don't necessarily go and have the person to pick up the clothes from, because they go on lunch after them. And I also want to go into town to the supermarket. So I'm not sure what I'll be doing. Also I'm going to go and ask for a second job. Not sure what I'm doing as yet. So So when I go downstairs, wherever my body leads me, it leads me. It's so beautiful. The bus that we take, but I didn't get one right here because the one that I want is going further. That one is going like in the town, and I don't want to go in the town. Ooh. It's cold, but it's manageable today. This is the name of the bus, Mountain Rides. So I wanted to catch this one because based on the timing it would have make sense, but it's gone. So I'm not going to stand here and wait 2 hours. Well, an hour. So I'm gonna go over by here and see what's there to do. Yeah, so I wanted to pick up my uniform, but I just got the form today to pick it up. A car is passing, don't you guys gonna hear me? But yeah, so I didn't get to pick it up. I have to wait until Monday for legal reasons to pick it up. So I'm going to wait on that. It's a little disappointing because I want to get my uniform, start home for start out, feel fresh. But I'm learning to let God lead. We don't know why I'm never met me take it today. But I'm waiting on the bus to go and grab some groceries. Bus is here. I'm a fan on the bus. Look at Jamaican in me. My name is Chow. This is it. This is a cinema. I wanted to go there last year, but I didn't get the opportunity to. So hopefully, oh my god, the sign says that it is closed. Wow. Like it goes down. Then we have McDonald's over by that side. The tree of black McDonald's, but that's McDonald's. Yeah. So we're almost at the supermarket now that I go in. Happy. Whoa, where you see that sign there? That blue one? Yeah. That's where I could have came off. So I just walked to the supermarket. I'm gonna show you guys supermarket soon. Yeah, so this is the supermarket that we're going. I hope it's the right one actually. But yeah. The people machine the careless eye. I'm gonna go in the video. For the video. I know this reach me. Somebody else like me don't come around for you, better misunderstood. Hey, you girl, not the light just burn. You make me excellent to the blood just burn. Hey, you girl, not the light just shot. Just speed up 10 more beats to me on. You don't need another lover. Don't you let it go. I already got it covered. Let the others know. You want it, let's do it. Ride it, my pony. I'm settled, swearing. I feel like to make taco because I'm not skin like stuff that we would use. And I'm gonna get this one. Well, in this size. What's it? Sometimes I get a feeling. Can I get this? This will cook? Don't tell me if it'll cook. It'll cook? It's ready to cook. I must be nice something. They have raw here, right? Not even sure. Not sure. Jump on it. You want it. Let's do it. Ride it. Not pony. I'm settled. Just waiting. Coming. Jump on it. Funny baseline. Me a bossa wine. Funny baseline. Me a bossa wine. No, but why them chicken breast have to be? chicken cheap. This about 18 days. I can't get too much chicken in Jamaica. These are all the stuff that I got. I'm kind of vexed because I didn't get everything that I went for. And my personal hygiene stuff. So I have to go in the town go get that. Ooh. I have to go in the town go get that. And I don't want to do that. As you may or may not know, I'm a housekeeper. So I'll be showing you guys the rooms that I clean and how much rooms I got for the day. Yeah, because it's going to be daily. Then we submit up to weekly. So yeah. So today I got 10 rooms. There's 3 checkouts and 7 towels or dailies, depending on how you call it. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. So this is my cart. How the room looks upon entering. It's very dark. So this is the living room area. The guests didn't stay long, so they didn't use up much of the space. Then we have the, what may I call this now? Refreshment area. This is a fridge here. Then a sink, waters, TV. Yeah. So now we're onto the bathroom. So as you walk in, you have a little countertop. Lovely. There's the towels. Have the restroom. Yes, the dog come out and come clean bathroom, people. And then you have these. Another, what I call this now? Whatnot. Bye. Then this is a shower. So because it's a checkout, we'll dispose these if they use it. So once they use it, we'll have to throw it away. So the soap, I'll have to throw it away. This is the tub. Yeah, let me show you guys the bedroom area. So this is the bedroom. So it's a double queen, and the beauty about this was that it was only one guest. Open the window, car. Video look dull. Most of people must hear me. My day I'm here talk. Was it recording? No. Anyways, I went outside to the cart for 4 pillowcases. 4 pillows up on the bed. Then this is the, I would say, bottom sheet. So this is how you know when it's a queen. It is blue. It's green when it's a king. So, but the speed of the process, because I think you want to learn how to spread bed. But if you want to learn how to spread bed, you can just do it only. Plus, I think most housekeepers spread bed the same way. Otherwise, some of the TikTok I'm say they want to spread bed the same way. So, yeah. Also, last year when I came on the program, I literally, when I went back home, started spreading my bed the same way. So I'm come here, so you know, so I'm gonna have 15 minutes. Angarat. Triangarat.
Music make me feel happy, Jordan. I understand what they say, I like bother. Got the money all out, me to start down. Music make me feel happy, Jordan. I understand what they say, I like bother. Got the money all out, me to start down. Anybody listening, only what happened my head.
So this part is very critical. Like I'm just coming to give me problem. But no, they'll have it. See that?
Got the money all out, me to start down. Anybody listening, only what happened my head that by the feet. Don't grass and jab, don't clock and then cut it out. I'm so busty, can't come. It's a mad one. Gonna log one, record my album. I don't trust anyone. But right at that job, and I've been working.
So that is how the doll triangle and go to bed. So remember our pillowcase now. For the bed no don't make. And this one our pillow. So me left the long way. Mexican them tired for show me. The Mexican them tired for show me the right way. But to me that's too complex. You know? But show me another like them. And then do this.
Go to like say I don't deserve them. Defend myself, me not fear no one. Because people give me plenty money. Give me plenty money.
So we finish the first bed. Going to take off the top sheet off. So we finish in 7, 8, 9, 10. In a 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes to done, you know. Right, not even. Yeah, 10 minutes to done, you know. So I'm going to take off the top sheet. I remember I tell you guys that let the guest shoes you touch the sheet. So I'm going to do that. So I heard the house man, so I'm going to give it these. Hey Thomas. You're welcome. Thomas, I didn't take out bathroom yet. Yeah. Now let's see Thomas. Alright. So Thomas is right in camera. And just you know, best believe. I got team. Hey, but even if you don't want details video, you see I'm not here details? Sure?
Da 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 da. Say you're back from rich back. Tell her put that like Chinese wall, so the clip tall. Show it up and make you fall from your disc tag. You know one on a discharge, man a big tag. I saw you disappear as if I never did ban. Me know a couple kilo, me know just a sing song. With the people your mother tell you keep fam. Z-Tech full of bam like Islam. And if you make I come, me know the enemy, them a pray. And me know they're not sorry for me. People are ball and a skin, cause we bad than we mean. Bloody crime scene, calamity, that's how we shoot out.
Kitchen area is all done. Love that for me. So we're gonna go to the bathroom. Every day I'm not gonna show you this because what point me I show you over the steps and every day, but because it's the first day I'm gonna show you guys. So I left this towel here to soak up most of the water which it did. So great. So yeah, let's clean. So I did the sink, the toilet, the look about the fall. And now I'm about to do the glass in the bathroom. So that part is clean. Mega echo, sorry about that. This part isn't. I'm super sorry about this. The bathroom section being batched together, but it's a need. Need meaning the guests are probably here or they're like 5 minutes out and they need the room. So I had to work fast and start all that. So the guests may have to come and wait or the guests may wait longer. But I'm gonna show you the finished product.
Free the bros.
Only thing could you done now? We have vacuum for do. Vacuum for do. Go ahead room that I have finished, and on to the next. I forgot to show you guys what I eating for lunch. This was some Chinese that I got yesterday. Cup of Sprite and water for dilute. I'm off lunch now. Going back to the slave. It's okay? Yeah, you don't want slave. I'm not put it up. I go back. Finally home. Listen, I'm tired. And I don't know if I become a workout, but like I'm so tired right now. The power dry. But anyways, I just pick up my uniform. Yeah, I know as a Jamaican I put the things on the bed, but I'm tired, child. Anyways, I'm gonna make some Lucky Charms and try edit. So this is the fit for the movie. You know, jeans pants, sneakers, crop top, and I look a bag to put a little money in it. But we're gonna go to the movies now. So I have to walk in my sweater because the weather outside, you do anything you want to do. If you mind tell it for rain, if you tell it for snow, you do anything you want to do. So you have to come prepared.
Music make me feel like be Jordan. I understand what they say, I like bugger. Got the money all around me to start down. Music make me feel like be Jordan.
We're at the movie theater.
I'm not jumping. What is it? I've never seen that one.
Watch her go and go.
Come on. Ariel, wait for me. You know I can't swim that fast.
We're gonna get dinner. McCoy. We're gonna go village. I like on pizza place. Yeah. Somebody did bring their Alaska straight on.
Give me plenty money. Hypocrite identical, but they pretend they gone. Set up and bend them from me. Them are identical to the death for Bonnie.
So we both got Shirley Temples without the cherry.
You gotta ask for a cherry.
Yeah, because it's supposed to come with cherries. So we're gonna go ahead and get that. So Tori got wings as a basic meal. I got a pizza. Thank you so much. I got a pizza with bacon, pepperoni. I always get this still, but yeah. Look at my bestie.
Baby girl, how you doing? How you doing?
We're gonna go to Shorty's where the bad bitches are.
It's a map one, gonna log one, record my album. I don't trust anyone, but all that I have and I've been working. Don't go do like say I don't deserve them.
Get my fine friend. Emmanuel, be fine.
I'm shy.
This like a Riverdale. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. I got the strawberry milkshake, and Emmanuel gets.
No comment. No comment. Thank you. Appreciate it. That's perfect.
So Emmanuel don't have to follow me and get the same thing, right?
No, I ordered it first.
Boy.
In the fries. Right now. Water in it.
I'm not trusting. Guys, Emmanuel is so greedy. Like Emmanuel have to order one extra 7 and bacon with fries.
Nice, yes. Nice. Nice.
Me back. I'm not trust the ketchup. Tonight we're gonna go ahead and try orange chicken. Did Tanya not come with me? Because she's off?
No, I'm coming actually. I want to see how it works.
Okay. We're back by the room with the groceries. So, Gitania finally hungry, so we're gonna do the experiment. Watch out, machine. We're gonna do the experiment. But we're going to do the experiment with the orange chicken. So let's go. It try to look like this, you know. Try to look like this.
If it's out, you know.
Oh yeah.
Alright, this can be.
I feel like you can go in the oven now, because I will if gravy this. Microwave, my bad. So this is our bad stove 2003. You don't need no stove when you got 2003. Sweet. Or sweet. It's not. Wait. Yeah, that's a girl room for nice and comfortable. I have one nice table. And this is my mash. So we're gonna plate it. This time I have rice and peas and chicken. I gotta do a taste this. More reaction, Jitania. Cause you're one chef.
Video at work. More what I eat. What I eat in a day.
I'm not eating all day time. Can't even eat on the clock. For true. The Mexican them are come for me and say, no bueno, no bueno. See they cook. When you're ready to eat that, make me know. I want to get expression.
I taste it after I went to more consumption taste first.
So we're at Family Dollar and just trying to find something cute. We're gonna have sleep overnight. What we sleep together every night. The girlies are taking the shorts. Her. I love this uniform on me. It's giving Batia.